Okay, we also mentioned the optimistic and pessimistic， 对不对？乐观法则跟悲观法则。好，那这个我们要怎么做呢？We will use the file here. This one. Or we call that generation error rate estimation. Okay, please upload your EMI file and the screen print to the Word. 哦，我知道了啦。我知道了，我少了 print screen， 我 print screen 就不会用了。print screen， 简单。print screen. This is my name, right? Print screen 就可以了。好的 ，Word 就可以当范例了。My Word file here. Print screen. What? Print screen. Yeah. Yeah, I have my name. Save. 哎，你看得到我的对象？我 save it， 然后我把它转成 PDF 档就可以了。对，这是 PDF 版。这个是 assignment 多少 ？13。那就可以传了，因为 this is my code. It's okay. Okay. So I will upload here 13, right? And I will upload my file. Yes. Okay. Okay, go. Now we will do another one. We will talk about generation 8 estimation. So please follow me. Use it. Let me see what is it. Oh, 先不要教你 Please. This is an assignment, but please follow by me. Okay. We will use the UCI data set to do the generation rate estimation. So we have to do that first. Please go to UCI. UCI data repository. UCI means a very popular and famous school to discuss about the mathematical, biological, and management, especially machine learning. So there has a lab, we call that UCI repository. 这个大概是第一个，就是所有机器学习的资料库都放在这边的。我跟你们讲，你们的学长姐有一届我的导生就到这边念，厉害。毕业了之后，我跟他说 UCI 很好，就真的去那边念。Okay, 我们 view data set. Do you find? One more time. One more time. 再一次哦。UCI 加州尔湾大学 UCI repository 是一个 data set 人家都可以 announce 或 donate 这些 data set 让大家做研究。UCI repository. You click here, and then view data sets. And now we will find a zoo, Z-O, zoo. Then we will find zoo. Where is zoo? Oh, Zoo is here, here. Okay, and click. Then we will pre-process this data set for us to do the practice. 因为它资料集比较少哈，比较好做这个练习。Ready? Arrow. Why? Just that. 太多人你会宕机吗？Do. Okay, here, link. What's that? What's that? Data set, please. 他说 try this thing instead. 东西。
那这个网页要拿走。
Try this link. Okay, okay, try another link. Okay, so please download it. Yeah, download. I will teach you some skills about when the data set is not suitable. 当资料集不是这么漂亮的时候，要怎么处理？教你。So we unzip it. Unzip it. And first, we will double click zoo.data. We use the Excel. 可以吗？可以这样。One more time. 你刚刚是不是在这样子的 arrow？ 哎，不要一直点哦，那个一直敲滑鼠的哦。老师跟大家讲一下，我以前念大学的时候，老师都讲不用敲，你每敲的一次，他要再点一下，就更久了。有没有到这边 ？OK， 如果没有的话，那我把我下载的给你。好，那就在这边喽。你给你这个。你没有下载，我下载给你。因为我要教的就是怎么样处理这个。Okay, so please. Zoo data set. Then you will find just like this. 有没有到这边下载一下 ？OK， 有吗？我给你的应该有吧？等一下哈。OK，那我把录音先关起来。可以。